Hey guys, what's going on? So this is Nils Jensen at Idaho Pulse, and today I'm going to do a market update. And we're going to do a comparison with data that came from the end of November, kind of like the beginning of December, and then through Christmas, through the entire month of January, and the data was collected today on February 3rd, 2023. So this data will be basically not only what's going on right now as far as how many homes are on the market, how fast they're selling, what the median days on market is, kind of what the median size of the houses that are selling. But we're also going to do like a little comparison of what it was like before the holiday season began, when the market was still kind of in a slump, and kind of see what it's doing now. Is it getting better? Is it getting any worse? Kind of just give you an idea of what to expect if you're thinking about jumping into the market in the Treasure Valley area. This one's going to be for Star. A lot of the markets are kind of following similar trends, and I try to do an update for all the major cities. So if you're interested in a different city, this one still could give you kind of an idea, but I would encourage you also to check out my other videos, which would be on the specific city, whatever it is you're interested in. So with that in mind, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us out. If you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Otherwise, stick around and we're going to get through the entire market. Stick around to the end of the video if you want all the content. And if you're interested in us sending you anything as far as relocating or as far as a buyer's guide, seller's guide, that kind of thing, I'm happy to send you any information. We have a link in our description box. Just go ahead and click that, and we'll go ahead and have you fill out the information. We'll send it over free of charge. So anyways, let's get right into the market update for February of 2023 in Star, Idaho. Okay, guys, so let's get right into the market update. So as far as the market updates, what I tend to like to do is I look at kind of a lot of the parameters as far as what's on the MLS right now. And this kind of gives us an idea because we have data from last time I did this, and we kind of like to compare and kind of see, hey, are things getting better? Are things getting worse? So let's start off with what the median price of a home is going for right now in Star, Idaho, as far as what's listed on the market. Now, this doesn't mean that the houses are selling for this amount. This is the actual amount of the median listing prices of what people are asking right now. So right now we have a median listing price of $649,500 as far as the most recent data that I could gather this morning. And so what that kind of tells us is that Star is actually a fairly expensive market. There's a lot of other markets like Nampa and Caldwell and some other surrounding areas in Canyon County, and even looking at Meridian or looking at Boise itself, they all have lower median housing prices. And it doesn't mean that Star is a more expensive place. There's a lot of places that have more expensive property in general, although Star does actually have one property that's listed for $7 million, and it's actually in our brokerage as far as we're listing it for sale. But that's not a normal occurrence in Star. Probably on the very upper end of what you'll find as far as price goes, you'll be looking in the low to mid $2 million range on the very high end. And then on the very low end, you're looking at $300 and some odd for the lowest price listings. And the lowest price listing right now is actually $315,000 to be exact. So right now we have about 171 homes that are active listings on the market right now in Star. And we have 128 homes right now, as of the data from this morning, that are pending or contingent. They're still listed as listings. However, they're not coming up as active. So 2/3 of the amount of active listings be homes that have offers that have already been made and accepted on these homes. So what that tells us is things are starting to move. Things are moving in the right direction. We're starting to get action. People are accepting offers. A lot of people are getting multiple offers at once now. So I think that we're going to see, as of the next market update that I do, which should be sometime in March, I think if we compare this data from the beginning of February to whenever I do it in March, we're going to see the days on market is going to go down, and we're going to see that there's a lot less homes that are actually listed. So if you're thinking about listing or buying a home in Star, you may want to get on it because I think the market is going to start picking up. Last time we did a market update, which was for the end of November in 2022, we had 156 listings on the market. So there's actually more listings on the market right now. So the market is actually trending upwards. And I have a feeling that the next time I do a market update, which should be sometime in March, I'm guessing, you're going to see that the days on market come down considerably. The price probably will start going up, and we're going to see a uptick in the amount of homes that are being sold. Just from an observation standpoint, from my perspective as a real estate agent in the Treasure Valley area, a lot of my colleagues are all saying that the homes that they have listed are all getting multiple offers now. So a lot of the homes that were kind of sitting stale for the last couple months, going into the holiday season and through part of January, are now coming towards the middle of January to now are starting to get multiple offers, a lot of foot traffic through open houses. A lot of my open houses that I'm hosting are getting a lot of traffic. So this is kind of happening all around Ada County and part of Canyon County. So this is just something to show you that the market is actually improving. I don't see us going back to like a 2020, 2021 kind of a hype anytime soon, because I don't think the Fed's going to do anything crazy with the rates. But we do see a trend of things getting a lot better right now. The median size of a home that's listed right now is 2356 square feet. And that has absolutely nothing to do with the market or how the market's doing. I just always like to include that because it gives you kind of an idea. If you haven't really dove into the market in Star yet, kind of gives you an idea of what the median size of the houses that are actually on the market and being listed in Star Idaho are. The median price per square foot right now in Star, as far as the homes that are listed on the market, is $275 per square foot. And so right now we have 72 days is the median days on market. And last time we did the market update, which was the end for the data at the end of November of 2022, we had 65 days was the median days on market. So the median days on market is higher. However, like I said earlier, we have a lot of homes that are actually pending or contingent right now, which means that as those dominoes start to fall, because there's 30 days escrow is kind of like the average time that it takes for escrow to close, we're going to start seeing those homes come off the market. Supply is going to go dramatically down. Days on market is going to start to fall. So I can't predict it for sure, but I'm thinking just based on the numbers that I'm seeing that we should start seeing that median days on market starting to tumble down as of maybe March or April. Okay, so that kind of does it for my market update. I don't want to make this super long. If you have any questions for me, if you'd like to get a hold of me, my website is idahopulse.com. My phone number is on the screen as well. And if you have anything you need, you can always leave a comment as well. If you have anything you'd like to add or just quick questions, I'm happy to help try to respond to everything in a timely manner. Anyways, thanks for joining me on this market update, and we'll hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for joining us.